Okay, it was just one of the solenoids in the CF MOTO, and now it's starting fine. Area, the fish ponds, bananas. Citrus row. Watch you don't get hung up on these branches. The churu. These are almost ready. You first they flower, then you get your fruit. Very nice for high blood pressure and all kinds of ailments. Natural cures. Ice cream bean area and cinnamon trees. These are megalith bananas, not the massive huge ones I'm growing in the other place, but these are pretty big arms. These will get 35 kilos. Plantain. Flying camera. Cashew, all cashew trees. Brazilian fruit sack, sour sap, really nice fruit, and oranges, olives, and tamarind, pineapple fields. The pineapple field we're working on a little earlier on the edge here. Other pineapples that are growing nice here. More bananas, breadfruit. Blue A, more banana patches, mangoes, goes on and on and on. big cactus gardens. We got big, humongous Angora cactuses. We'll plant them here on the hill. They don't need as much water as everything else. Over here we have all rambutans and peach palms. This is all our dragon fruit, new exotic dragon fruit species, all coming in this section here. Oh, massive grasshopper jumped on me. Oranges. This is your ginger, all your ginger area, and then your other healthy root crops that we use for medicine.